Getting started with your digital marketing strategy, part 9. Today I shall be discussing why your non-e-commerce business ought to establish conversion worth and exactly how to do it. The days of simply utilizing private conversations are long past, and all ad platforms now motivate advertising to accept and also leverage conversation worth. Take Google Ads as an example. Max conversion value is just one of the only bidding processes alternatives for PMax projects, and also has actually been obtained a lot of love in accounting suggestions. If you remain in e-commerce conversion value, it's absolutely nothing new. Income monitoring goes to the heart of the affected shopping campaign. Nevertheless, if you're in a solution sector or one that doesn't have actually a set price per involvement, you might struggle to land a conversation value. In this message, we'll study just how to do that. We will cover the distinction between specific conversations and conversations values, the benefit of leaning into conversion worth, how to find up with a conversion worth. Note that this article will certainly be greatly concentrated on how Google leverage conversion worths. Nevertheless, the lesson found out can be put on other channels. What's the difference in between conversations as well as conversion worth? A conversion is a type of action you ask an ad platform to track. Conversion actions can range from those on the path to revenue, downloading an overview, phoning, etc., to be finished in the sale. Conversions worth are the finance amount you've informed the ad system to credit to be the finished action. As an example, I might establish a conversion action to track all phone calls streaming from my Google ads. Google will certainly track each of them as long as I establish the action to a primary action, whether it values those calls at $1 or $100 or any other quantity depends on me including the conversion worth into the activity. In short, you can track conversions in Google advertisements without conversions worth. Nevertheless, you are producing information fancies the advertisement system along with inner coverage. Why should non-e-commerce businesses establish conversion worth? Amongst the great false positives and negatives in PPC coverage is CPA, price per purchase. While a low certified public accountant is an advantage, services will often over-fixate on getting that number as reduced as possible without considering the value of the leads they are obtaining. ROAS, returns on advertisement spend, is an extra value PPC metric than a certified public accountant in understanding whether your ad campaigns are supplying real value. Conversion values elevate the conversion and bring transparency to the true ROI on your advertisement spend. By setting conversions worth, you're assisting Google Ads to know which action you value most, as well as where to invest the budget. Furthermore, factoring in conversation worth will certainly assist Google create more reasonable forecasts on what additional investments might yield. This is especially beneficial if you have campaigns that are getting restricted by spending plans yet are generating low value leads. By integrating in conversions worth, Google can become a lot more smart concerning targeting your excellent potential customers. Exactly how to compute conversions worth when you're not e-commercing. Just because we're brought into utilizing conversion values doesn't indicate they are straightforward. Unless you're in a transactional sector like e-commerce, your conversion worth will certainly be based on design and data-backed finest fortunes. A really useful area to start is phone leads versus form fills versus chats. If your sales team is best served by real-time communication, phone leads may be your finest lead kind. It isn't offered finest by great deals of information regarding the possibility gotten through a little content, a form or various other methods. You may value your form fills or chats higher, despite which is one of the most beneficial. So what to do? Compute your baseline worth. You can change this as you operate and see real world conversions as 10% of your gross profit from the ordinary interaction. Utilize the conversation prices from each lead to find up the conversion worth. Dates: I am an attorney. My ordinary solution deserves $6,500 and my phone leads transform at 50% while form fills transform at 20%. Baseline value per lead is 6,500 times 0.10 equals 650. Phone lead conversion worth 650 times 0.50 equals 325. Kind filled conversions worth 650 times 0.20 equals 130. Make certain to likewise consider areas. Certain places could be tougher, easier to salute than others. If your margins are influenced by where a client is based, or if you have understandings concerning retention from specific markets, you may determine to value leads originating from particular areas greater or lower. This can be done through proposal modifications, along with excluding places from a higher value campaign with higher ROAS objectives. Know what your conversions deserve. While it is not required to utilize conversion worth, they will certainly improve account performance properly. Take the time to investigate by valuing them greater than the average lead, you will certainly assist Google send you the most effective leads and have the most effective chance for ROI. This is Ian Jackson saying, if you like my video, please press the like button. And also there's a button up the top. If you want more, it's got a bell, press that and press all. And you will be informed when I put more videos up. It's Ian Jackson now signing off and saying thank you.